Well, hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. I'm sorry, I don't know why I do that. I don't know. Hey, we're located right here in the Houston, Texas area. We are actually in Porter, Texas, just north of the Humble-Kingwood area. If you take 59, you'll get off at the North Park exit and head east to Loop 494. That's the very first light that you'll come upon. Turn left and we're right down on the left-hand side. And of course, for all of you that aren't in the Houston area, don't forget, we always ship anywhere in the United States right from our website at DougRuckerStore.com. So if we can ever help you with a rig build, pressure washers, chemicals, soft washing equipment, any type of supplies for your pressure washing or soft washing business, feel free to reach out. You can call or text us at 281-612-1223, or you can email us at info@DougRuckerStore.com. Our hours are Monday through Thursday, 9 to noon, and then 1 to 3. Fridays, we're open from 9 to noon. I love my early Fridays off. And we can always make arrangements for after hours local pickups as well if we need to do that. Our next hands-on training school is July 11th. That's Saturday, July 11th, right here in Houston, Texas with myself, or in Valdosta, Georgia with Judd West. Hey, if you'd like to get registered and signed up, or if you need more information about our training, just go to PressureWashingSchool.com. All of the information is right there, and it's also in the FAQ, the frequently asked question page. You can also either fill out the contact form there, or you can email any questions to learn@PressureWashingSchool.com. Also, if you'd like online training, check out the school, that's SKOOL community, using the QR code that's on the screen or the web address that's on the screen. The school online training is built for not only just learning, but you also get to network with fellow contractors that are starting a pressure washing business or trying to build a new pressure washing business, just like you are. You can ask questions there. You can post pictures of work and get advice, as well as learn how to clean houses, roofs, concrete, and protect the property. And there's a lot of other learning resources that are available there as well. I also have my point training, which is personalized, on-site, individual next level training. That's where you can come to us and we can go on an actual job site, or we can come to you to one of your job sites. Or we also have, I also have virtual one-on-one coaching and mentoring with me. So no matter how you'd like to get trained, either on screen or on scene, I've got you covered. Just go to PressureWashingSchool.com. All the information is right there. Hey, today I've got a new product. Well, kind of new. We've carried it in a previous form, but I'm going to show you the new sludge pump kit that we just got in. We actually got about 5 of them in and just sold right through them before I could even do this video. But anyway, I'm going to go over that coming up next. All right, so a lot of you guys are probably familiar, some of you may not be, of a tool that we use in the pressure washing industry called a sludge pump, also commonly referred to as a sludge sucker. Sludge sucker, I like saying that, sludge sucker. But we have it on our website as now. We've had 2 different ones. Now we've had a different one. Now we have a second one. So we have 2 different ones. One of them will probably stop selling, the old Suttner ones, mainly because it used to come with, or you had to get an 1.5 Spiroflex or crush proof type hose that was just really stiff, hard to manage, hard to roll up, and all that kind of stuff. But just to give you a little background or a little usage, the sludge pump or sludge sucker is used to help remove, in our industry, puddles, areas where water can pile up or build up or whatever, and you need to move it. This is what that can do. So let me show you what they look like and how we use them and all of that. All right, so this is actually the sludge pump, Sentner sludge pump, and this is the one I was talking about that came with the crush-proof hose, the real stiff hose, and it would, you know, just kind of come straight up and then kind of roll it out. I'll have some footage of this going, showing you. But I hated that hose. It was very hard to manage. We hated selling it. It was hard to get it in boxes. It was heavy. People didn't want to pay the shipping for it, all of that kind of stuff. So we ultimately just quit selling the hose and just made the sludge pump part available, along with the sludge pump conversion kit, so that you could attach a gun or a wand to your 1/4-inch fitting. So this one here, Raimondo took that stiff hose off, and he got some fittings off Amazon, I think Lowe's, whatever, and hooked up this pool discharge hose. So this kind of rolls out, and we'll pump it out through that. Now, the only problem with this discharge hose, it has to lay straight. If it bends, and then it's not going to pump as well. And this hose is very easy to bend. So I only use this when I have to do straight type pumping. So in other words, a hose is just going straight out and it doesn't bend or anything like that. So that's pretty much the old style. And I'll show you next the new style that we have. And of course, on the other one I was just showing you, I'm able to put it into a 5-gallon bucket. And on the new one, I'm able to do the same thing. It just kind of sits in the 5-gallon bucket. I'll put the head all the way down in and get the hose inside. I could put the lid on it if I wanted to. But anyway, this is the newer style that we're going with, sludge pump or sludge sucker. It already has a 1/4-inch fitting, so I can hook my gun or my wand up to it. Some guys like to use a ball valve. I prefer to stand up while I'm doing it and just use a short little wand setup, like a 36-inch wand. And so basically what is happening, works off of like a Venturi effect, very similar to our A+ vacuum surface cleaner. And it has a 0-degree nozzle in there, and that will create a suction, so it sucks up water from a puddle or from like a tank, which I've been showing the demo for you here in this video, and it will move a lot of water. It will have the numbers on the website. I mean, it emptied this 45-gallon tank within under a minute, maybe just over a minute. I mean, they're very, very fast. And so it's a great tool to have on jobs for whenever you have puddles or standing water in low areas and you need to move it or want to move it. This is a great tool to use that for. We've used it in a lot of different scenarios, but especially parking lots and sometimes driveways. And so it does a really great job of just moving all of that water. You have to be careful. About 7/8 to just under a 3/4 size will go through here. And so any rocks bigger than that or pieces of wood or whatever, you got to be careful, because it'll jam it up right in here where it has to go in. You'll have to stop. And sometimes it'll just drop right out. Sometimes you have to pick it up and fish it out with your hand or finger or whatever. Comes with a 16-foot hose, which is plenty long. You could also, if you needed longer, you could get some of this pool discharge hose that's on my other one and zip tie it around the end there, and then you'd be able to add on a little bit if you wanted to. 16-foot hose, it's about 4,000 PSI pressure is what it can take. We only have it with one nozzle,
and I haven't even checked what size nozzle it is, but I've used it on both my 5 gallon per minute. I've used it on the 8 gallon per minute, and I've also used it on the 4 gallon per minute machine, and it works great on all three of them. And it does not bog the machine down. Sometimes you have to be careful with the size nozzling that you're using, but even on the 8 gallon per minute, it didn't bog it down. As a matter of fact, one of the ones in this video was of the 8 gallon per minute. So anyway, just wanted to show you this. This is a sludge pump. They work great for moving water. You could empty pools out with it. All kinds of things that you can do with it. We've used them before in flood areas, flooded homes, to help folks remove water out of their home, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, it's called the Sludge Pump Kit. As of this video, we are out of them, but I've got more coming in. When we got them in, for some reason, we just blew right through them, put them on the website, and they sold really quick. So we've got a bunch more coming in, and if you need one, if you want to order one to be in line, just text us or give us a call, and we'll either put your name down, or we may just put it back on to where you can order it if you're willing to wait for it to come in. But today is Saturday, June 19th. They should be in by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. All right?
Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if this helped you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, hit the bell so you can get notifications of when videos come out, and leave a comment or a question. I'll answer as quick as I possibly can. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day.